శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. In this series of reading Adhyatma Ramayana, in the last, when we left, we are at Swayam Prabha Charitra, Kishkindha Kandam. So Vanaras are searching for Sita. They entered a guha, and in that guha they spent a lot of time, more than a month probably. So when they came out, then from there we will have to continue. So Sugriva has sent Vanara, groups of Vanaras in all four directions, and as the search goes, they got into this Swayam Prabha's guha. That is where we left. So we'll continue from there. So that was the end of 6th sarga, start of 7th sarga. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha Adhatatra Samasina Vruksha Shandeshu Vanaraha Chintayanto Vimuhyantaha Sita Margana Karsitaha. Chintayanto, they are thinking, they are little worried. Vimuhyantaha, they are little deluded, confused. Sita Margana Karsitaha. Tatro Uvacha Angadaha. Tatro Vacha Angadaha Kanschit Dvanaran Vanararshabhaha Brahmatang Gahvare Smakam Maso Nonam Gato Bhavat. So anyway, 1 month is over. The time limit for the project is over. Sitan Nadhigatasmabhir Nakrutam Rajasasanam. So we have neither found Sita. Rajasasanam is not been honored. Yadi Gachama Kishkindam Sugrivosman Hanishyati. If we go back to Kishkinda, Sugriva will definitely kill us. Visheshataha Setrusutam Mam Mishan Nihatishyati. So Setrusutam, I am his enemy's son. So Vali's son, Angada. Angada is saying this. This is Angada's talking to Inishyati. Visheshatha Setrusam Mayitasya Kutha Pritiraham Ramena Rakshitaha. So I am not completed the Rama Karya, so Rama also will not save me. So this is the thinking he is going through. Idanim Ramakaryam me nakrutam tanmisham bhavet tasya madhanane nunam Sugrivasya duratmanaha. Sugriva is of a bad-minded person. So Angada's version of Sugriva. Duratmanaha. Matrukalpam Bhratrubharyam papatma anubhavatyasau Nagacheya mataha parsham tasya vanarapungavaha. Bhratrubharya, brother's wife, Matrukalpam, should be seen as a mother. He is taken as a wife and enjoying her. Tara and Sugriva got married. So that Angada is not liking it. Matrukalpam Bhratrubharyam papatma anubhavatyasau Nagacheya mataha parsham tasya vanarapungavaha. I will never go there. Drakshami Jivitan Jatra, Yena Kenapi Mrutnya, Yasrunayanam Kechat Društva Vanarapungavaha, Vyadhita Sasrunayana, Yuvaraja Madhabruvan, Kimardhanna Sokotra, Vayante Pranarakshakaha, Bhavamo Nivasamotra, Guhayam Bhayavarjitaha. So other Vanaras, when Prince or the Yuvaraja himself is saying like this, he has conceded his defeat. We are not able to find, we have not completed the project of searching Sita. There is no point going back. If we go back, he will kill, so we will be here only. Then the other Vanaras are giving some ideas. Sarva Saubhagya Sahitam Puram Deva Purvapamam Shanaihi Parasparam Vakyam Vadatam Marutatmajaha. So Bhavamo Nivasamotra Guhayam Bhayavarjitaha. So why we have to fear? There is a guha which is filled with beautiful water, fruit, everything. we'll just get in there and live there. Bhayavarjita, we don't need to have any fear also. We will live there only. There is no point. So this is where the called delusion. Start with a purpose, move on, get deluded into worldly matters. So this Swayamprabha's Guha is an example of getting lost in the worldly endeavors. So that is what Vanaras wanted to do. Now Guru Swarupa Hanuma comes. Hanuma comes and says, Shanai Parasparam Vakyam Vadatam Marutatmajaha. The Marutatmaja comes. Srutva Angadam Samalangya Provacha Nayako Vidaha. So he says Provacha. He started telling, wonderfully saying Provacha, not just Ovacha. Provacha Nayako Vidaha. Vicharyate Kimardhante Durvicharo Nayujjate. So he is saying, Vicharyate Kimardham. When you are reconciling or trying to figure out how to do what to do, Durvicharo Nayujjate. Never think in a negative, Durvichara, wrong way of logic. Logic should not be applied in a wrong way. Nayujjate. Rajnyo Atyanta Priyastvam hi Taraputro ati Durlabhaha Ramasya Lakshmana Preeti Tvai Nityam Pravardhate. Angada, your king is very fond of you, and you are a son of Tara, Tara's Priyaputra, and Tara has agreed him to be her husband. So Ramasya Lakshmana, for Rama, you are very loved by Rama also. Ato na Raghavad bhitis tavarajnyo visheshatah. You don't need to worry or fear Raghava, fear Rama. Aham tava hite sakto vatsananyam vicharaya. So let us look at things in a different way. Vicharaya, let us reason things out. Guhavasascha nirbhedhyah ityuktam vanaraistu yat tadeva dramabanan abhedyam kin jagatraye. So if you think that in this guha, if you go, you are safe, there is nothing which stops the Ramabana. So if Rama wants to really kill you or punish you, nobody can stop it. So that is the right. In Jagatraya, in the three worlds, three lokas, nothing can stop. So, Yetvam Durbhodayantyeve Vanara Vanarshabha Putra Dharadikam Tyaktva Kadham Stamsyati Tetvaya. So all these people who are saying, let us stay here, within few days they will be homesick. Putra Dharadikam, their wives and children are there in the Kishkindha. So they will not stay here permanently, completely. They will be homesick and they have to go back at some point in time. So, Anyad Guhyatamam Vakshe Rahasyam Sruname Sutta. So, let me tell you one secret. Ramo na Manusho Deva Sakshan Narayano Vyayaha. Rama is not a human. He is Sakshat Narayana. Sita Bhagavati Maya Jagan Moha Karini. Lakshmano Bhuvanadhara Sakshat Seshaha Phaniswaraha. So Rama is Sakshat Narayana, Sita is Mahamaya, Lakshmana is Sesha Avatara, Jagadadhara, one who holds this whole world, the Sesha, the time aspect of space-time, Sesha, Seshi, Sesha. So Sesha Avatara, Phaniswaraha. Brahmana Pradhita Sarve Rakshogana Vinasaye, Maya Manusha Bhavena Jata Lokaika Rakshaka. So they have arrived here in the Manusha Bhava, in the forms of human, for killing the Ravana and protecting the Loka. Vayancha Parshadas Sarve Vishnu Vaikunthavasinaha. So Vayam, we are all their Parshadas. In the Vaikuntha Loka, we are all there serving Rama, Lakshmana and Sita, these people only. We, Vayancha Parshadhas Sarve, Manushya Bhavam Upapanne Swechaya Paramatmani, when Paramatma came as human being, Vayam Vanar Rupena Jatas Tasyaiva Mayaya, Vayantu Tapasa Purva Maradhya Jagatam Patim, Tenaivanugruhitasmaha Parshadatvamupagatvaha, Idanimapi Tasyaiva Sevam Krutyaiva Mayaya. So we came here to serve him, By the taking up the same Maya, we came as Vanaras here to do the seva. Punar Vaikuntamasadhya sukham sthāsyamahe vayam Ityangadamadhasvasya gata vindhyam mahachalam. So Angada, we have a duty to perform. So let us go ahead, do the duty. We will be succeeding. So this is the positive way of looking at the things. This is the Guru Vachanam. So this is an example of how Guru puts back a seeker into the right path when the seeker wants to get away from the Nivrutti Marga and go back to the Pravrutti Marga of going in the loop circles again and again. Vichinvantodha Shanair Janakim Dakshinambhude Tire Mahendrakhya Gire Pavitram Padayayuhu. So they continued searching, they went to Mahendragiri. So that is the end of earth on this Indian subcontinent. So Mahendragiri, there is only big ocean on the other side. Društva samudram dushparamadha magadham bhayavardhanam Vanara bhayasantrastra kim kurma iti vadinaha. So Vanaras have again got fear. What we will do? We came all to the end. We have not found Sita or Ravana or Lanka. Nothing has happened. Brahmato me vane maso gate traiva guhantare nadrushto ravano vadya Sita va janakatmaja Sugrivas tekshana dandosman hyantyeva nasamsayaha Sugriva vadhatosmakam sreyah prayopavesanam. Now they have decided, they have come to a conclusion because we have failed in our, again they have failed. Means they started, they moved to the end, they couldn't find anything. So now let us just give up our lives. There is a method of giving up a life, something called prayopavesanam. Just not do anything, take so yeah, the description also given here. Iti nischatta tatraiva darbhanastri itya sarvataha. They took darbhas. They put on the darbhas on the floor. Upaveshustute sarve marane krutanischaya. They gone on to them, sat on them or lied on them, saying that in the prayopavesa they will not fight, they will not eat, they will not do anything, they will not oppose anybody. If somebody comes and eats them also, let them eat. This is the prayopavesa. Not reacting to the world and just being there until death. Fast until death, something like that is called prayopavesa. So they have all taken that decision saying that let us commit prayopavesa, we will not do anything, we will not fight with anybody, we will just sit here. Whatever it happens, let it happen. So, društva prayopavesena stitva vanarapungavan uvacha sanakair gradhaha prapto rakshotchadime bahu. Ekaikah kramah sarvan bhakshayami dine dine srutva tad grudhravachanam vanara bhetamanasaha. So having said this, when they sat there, there is a gradhaha, there is a big bird like Jatayu only. It is a hawk. That bird has slowly emerged out of one guha. It has no wings, but it's a huge grudhra. He said, oh, good, a lot of people are taken prayopavesa here. Daily I will eat one of them. So I have a lot of food. So it said, bhakshayami dine dine. Daily I will eat a little bit. So I have a lot of. Srutvata grudhrojam vanara bhetamanasaha. All these vanaras have become afraid again. So it is easy to say I will not do anything, but it is very difficult to take the death. Somebody coming and eating them. Bhakshayishyati sah sarvanasau grudhro nasamsayaha ramakaryam cha vasvabhihi krutam kinchid dhariswaraha sugrivasyapi cha hitam nakrutam swatmanamapi vrodhaneva vadham praptva gacchamo yamasadanam. So they started thinking like that. So we have wasted our life. Neither we served Guru Sugriva nor we are able to succeed. So in this matter, because of wasted life, we will go to Yama's sadhana. So we will go to the Yama's place. Aho Jatayur Dharmatma Ramasyarthe Mrutasudhihi Moksham Prapa Duravapam Yoginam Apyarindamaha. But that Jatayu is great. So these people are talking between themselves saying that anyway we will be killed by this Grudha. But that Jatayu who has Jatayur Dharmatma Ramasyarthe, for the sake of Rama he has been killed. Ramasyardhe mrutah sudhi, died for the sake of Rama, with a sudhi, great mind. Moksham prapa, he has attained moksha. So yogi also will not get such a moksha. Such moksha has been got by this. Sampatistu tadavakyam srutva vanara bhashitam kevayuyam mama bhrathu karma piyusha sannibham. Keva, who are you people talking about my brother Jatayu? Listening that name is karna piyusha something. It is like pouring nectar in my ears. Sannibham Jatayuriti namadhya Vyaharanta parasparam. You are talking about Jatayu. Jatayu, this nama. Uchatam vo bhayam mabhur smarah plavaya sattamaha. So because you have took up the name of Jatayu, you don't have any fear from me. I will not kill you. Tamuvacha Angada Sriman Uthito Gruthasannithau. So Angada got up Uthitaha Gruthasannithau. He went to this Grutha Sannidhau, to this Sannidhi. He has gone near. And Ramo Dasaradhis Sriman Lakshmanena Samanvitaha. So he is telling the story. Ramayana told by Angada to Sampati. Ramo Dasaradhis Sriman Lakshmanena Samanvitaha Sitaya Bharyaya Sartham Vichachara Mahavane Tasya Sita Hruta Sadhvi Ravanena Duratmana. So Ramo Dasaradhis Sriman, Dasaradhi Dasaradha's son Sriman Ramaha. Is this Rama has come to Lakshmana Samanvitaha, Sitaya Bharyaya Sartham, along with Lakshmana and Sita, Vichachara Mahavane. He has gone into the forest and started going around in the forests. Tasya Sita Hruta Balat. So that Sita has been taken away. Sadhvi Ravanena Duratmana. Mrogayam nirgate rame lakshmane cha hruta balat rama ramati krusanti shrutva grudha pratapavan. So Mrogayam nirgate rame. So looking at a mruga, Rama has gone to pick up one mruga asked by Sita, and Rama rameti krusanti shrutva grudha pratapavan Jatayurnama pakshindro yuddham krutva sudarunam ravanena hato viro raghavartham mahabalaha. So when Sita has been tried to be abducted from this place, now Jatayu came and fought with Ravana. Ramena Dagdho Ramasya Raghavardham Mahabalaha Ramena Dagdho Ramasya Sayujyam Agamat Kshanat Ramah Sugriva Masadya Sakhyam Krutvagni Sakshikam. So then that Jatayu has been burnt, put on the fire. The final rites of Jatayu have been performed by Rama himself, so he got the Rama Sayujya. His Jiva entered Rama directly, Rama Sayujyam. It got the Rama Sayujyam. So Ramena Dagdho Ramasya Sayujyam Apagamata Rama Sugriva Masadhya Krutvadagni Sakshikam. Rama has become Agni Sakshika. With fire being the witness, he made a friendship with Sugriva. Sugriva Chodito Hatva Valinam Sudurasadam Rajyam Dadau Vanaranam Sugrivaya Mahabalaha. So he has given the Rajyam to Sugriva. Sugriva, he killed Vali, he gave Sugriva Preshayamasa Setayah Parimargane. And then Sugriva ordered all of us to search for Sita. Setayah Parimargane. Asman Vanaravrundan Vai Mahasatvan Mahabalaha. Mahasatvan Mahabalaha Vanaravrundan. He has put us into the action. Ityajnaya Brahmantosmin Gahvaramadhyaga. So by that Ajna Masadvar Nivartatvam Nochet Pranatharamivaha. So his Ajna is within 1 month. You have to come back, otherwise I will kill you. So that is Sugriva Ajna. Such Sugriva Ajna has been given. Ityajna Brahmantosmin Gahvaramadhyaga. So we are going around in this. Gato Maso Najanimah Sitamva Ravananchava Martum Prayopi Vishnasmaha Tire Lavanavaridhe. So we have decided to take this Prayopavesa near this Lavanavaridhe, near this ocean which is filled with salty water. యది జానామి హే పక్షిన్ సీతాం కథయన్న శుభాం అంగదస్య వచశ్రుత్వా సంపాతిర్ హృష్టమానసః. సో అంగద రిక్వెస్టెడ్ సంపాతి, యది ఇఫ్ యది జానాసి హే పక్షిన్, ఓ బర్డ్, ఇఫ్ యూ నో వేర్ ఈజ్ సీత, టెల్ అస్, లెట్ అస్ నో. శుభాం కథయన్న శుభాం సీతాం శుభాం అంగదస్య వచశ్రుత్వా, సచ్ సీత హూ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ శుభ, ఆఫ్ ఆస్పీషియస్ నేచర్, let us know. Uvacha matpriyo bhrata jatayu plavageshwara bahuvarsha sahasrante bhratruvarta srutamaya. After several thousands years I have heard about my bhratruvatra, about my brother. Vaksahayam karishyeham, I will help you with my vaksahayam, I will advise you about it, definitely I will do. Bhavatam plavageshwaraha, O vanaras, I will definitely help you. Plavageshwara, O king of vanaras. Bhratruhu saliladanaya matyardham mam jalantikam. So bring me some water. First I have to give water because Bhratru passed away. My brother has gone away. I came to know now. So let me maryada again. This is the dharma. So Srutamaya Vaksahayam Bhratru salino Paschat Sarvam Subhe Vasye Bhavatam Karyasiddhaye Tadhati Nimyate Tiram Samudrasya Vihangamam. So they have gone. Sopi tat salile snatva bhratur ratva jalanjalim punah swasthana masadya sthito nito harishwarai sampati kadhaya masa vanaran pariharshayan. So having taken bath with the water, giving the water to his brother, he went to his place again, sat there and then started saying, లంకానామ నగర్యాస్తే త్రికూటగిరి మూర్ధని తత్ర శోకవనే సీత రాక్షసీభిః సురక్షిత సముద్రమధ్యే సా లంకా శతయోజన దూరతః దృశ్యతే మేన సందేహః సీతా చ పరిదృశ్యతే. సో లంకా, there is a nagara called Lanka. It is 1000 శతయోజన, 100 yojanas far away. There Trikuta Nagare, in the Trikuta Parvata, there is a place, in that there is a place called Ashokavana. Ashokavane Sita Rakshasi Bhisurashita, by the surrounded by Rakshasis, Sita is there. Grudhrastvat duradrushtirme drusyate saddeha, without any doubt I am able to see. So she is, Sampati is actually looking duradrushti with his very ability of seeing far away. Grudhratva duradrushtirme, because I am a grudhra, I have the very far ability to look very far. So natra samsayato kshamam, so you don't need to take any doubt in my word. Satayojana vistirnam samudram yastu langhayet sa eva janakim drishtva punarasyati dhruvam ahameva duratmanam ravanam hantumutsahe bhraturhanta Ramekaki kintum pakshavivarjitaha. Given a chance, I would go and kill this Ravana. But my Bhraturhantra, he killed my brother. But I am helpless because I don't even have my wings and old. So what I can do without wings? And యతధ్వం అతియత్నేన లంఘితుం సరితాం పతిం తతో హంత రఘుశ్రేష్టో రావణం రాక్షసాధిపం ఉల్లంఘ్య సింధుం శతయోజనాంతం లంకాం ప్రవిశ్యాధ విదేహ కన్యకాం దృష్ట్వా సమాభ్యాస్య చ వారిధిం పునః స్తర్తుం సమర్థః కథమో విచార్యతాం. సో నౌ యూ ఫిగర్ అవుట్ who can go this 100 yojanas, go out, see Sita, again come back here. So you figure out who that is. With that Sampati, Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana Antargate Uma Maheswara Samvade Kishkindhakanda Saptama Sargaha. So we reached the end of 7th Sarga. Continuing, Sampati's Atmakatha, Ashtama Sargam. This is a very interesting place where Sampati tells about his own story. And that story consists of a Garbhopanishad actually. So this is highly spiritual, very hard-hitting sarga of Adhyatma Ramayana again. Ashtama Sargam, Sri Mahadeva Vacha, Adhate Kautukavishtaha Sampatim Sarvavanaraha Paprachur Bhagavan Bruhi Swamudantam Tomadhitaha. So these Vanaras now have asked him, Bhagavan. So they have given a, yeah, it looks very knowledgeable, Jnanavan, Bhagavan. So Sampatim Sarvavanaraha Paprachur Bhagavan Bruhi Swamudantam Tomaditaha. So you tell your own Udanta. What is your own story? Narration. You narrate about yourself. We wanted to. Sampatik Kadhaya Amasa Swurtrantam Purakrutam Aham Pura Jatayuscha Bhratarau Rodhayavanau. Me and Jatayu are brothers. We are brothers, and Rodhayavanau. We are on the top of our energy. Yavanam. We are in the young age. Bhalena Darpitavaham Bala Jignasaya Khagau. We are the great powerful beings, and Baladarpita. We are by the pride of our Bala, we are Darpita. So one day what we did, Bahuyo Surya Mandala Paryantam Gantumutpatitau Madat. By that Mada of Bala, we said, let us fly all the way to the Surya Mandala. So Bahuyojana Sahasram Gatau Tatra Pratapitaha Jatayustham Paritratum Pakshairachatya Mohataha. As we started flying, as we reached Bahu Yojana Sahasram, thousands of yojanas we crossed, as we reached, it became very hot. To save Jatayu, I have covered him with my wings. Stitoham Rasmidagdha Pakshosmin Vindhya Murdhani Patito Durapatadan Murchitoham Kapishwaraha. So from there, my wings got burnt and I fell all the way on this Vindhya Parvata after this. Dina Trayat Punah Prana Sahito Dagthapakshakaha Desam va Girikutan va Najane Bhrantamanasaha. So I don't know where I fell, what has happened. I don't have wings to fly. I fell there like that, and I became unconscious for 3 days, and then finally I came back to some consciousness. Senair Unmila Nayane Društva Tatrasrayam Subham Senaihi Senair Yasramasya Samipam Yatava Naham. So I found a Rishi's ashrama somewhere nearby. Shanaihi, slowly dragged myself up to there. Chandranama Munir Antardrushtvamam Vismito Vadat Sampate Kimidantedya Virupam Kenavakrutam. Chandra Nama. There is a Rishi of name Chandra. He was there in that Sampate Kimidantedya Virupam Kenavakrutam. So what happened to your Rupa? Why you have lost your valorous body? Janami Twamaham Purvam Atyantam Balavanapi. I know that you are the most powerful Grudhras, one of the most powerful Grudhras. Atyantam Balavanapi. Dagthau Kemardham Te Pakshau Kathyatam Yadimanyase. Who burnt your wings? Tatah Swacheshtitam Sarvam Kathitya Atidhukkitha Abruvam Munishardulam Dahyeham Dava Vahnina. So I told all my misdeeds because of that power, pride of the power and everything. I asked him to Munishardulam Dahyeham Dava Vahnina. So on the Davanala you put me and burn me away. That's what I have asked him. Katham dharayitam shakto vipaksho dhivi jivitam prabho yuktutyodha munigirvakshaha mam dayardra vilochana. The Muni looked at me with compassionate eyes. Srunuvatsa vacho medva srutva kuru yadhepsitam. So let me tell you something, Vatsa. Oh, Vatsa is Vatsalya. So a Sishya. It is generally used only to the Sishya. So the Muni became very compassionate by listening to my own story, and he said, Vatsa, vacho adhyane, let me tell you something, after that you do whatever you want. Deha moolam idam dukkham deha karma samudbhavaha. This body is the dukkham. Because of all this sadness is the body. Deha karma samudbhavaha. This body is originated in our own karmas, our own past actions. Karma pravartate dehe yambhudvya purushasya hi ahankarastvanadihi syad avidya sambhavo jadaha. So this deha has been assembled by the ahankara, which has born of avidya, ignorance of the true nature, jadaha, which is of nature of jada, non-conscious, unconscious, gross matter. Chichayaya sada yukta तस्ताप पिंडवत् सदा तेन देहस्य तादात्म्यार् देहश्चेतनवान् भवेत्. Like a iron ball put in the fire, iron ball becomes red like a fire only. In the same way, this jada, because chit's chaya, consciousness shadow falling on it, appears as conscious. Bhavet. Dehohamiti buddhihi syad atmano hankruted barat. So this body I am, this thought arises because of ahankruti, ahankara, misunderstanding the nature of self, ahankriti balat, by the force of this ahankara, tanmula yesha samsaraha sukha dukkhadi sadakaha. Because of that, this samsara of repeated births and deaths will come, of sukha and dukkha, of happiness, pains and pleasures. Sukha dukkhadi sadhakaha. Atmano nirvikarasya midhya tadatmrutyah sadaha dehoham karma kartaham iti sankalpya sarvada. So Atma, which is nirvikara, not having any transformation, misunderstands the body as itself and gets into the actions of the sankalpas, imaginations unto the actions, and it goes into sarvada. Jeva karoti karmani tatphalair badhyate vasaha. So the jiva gets into the actions and thereby gets attached to those results. Vasaha urdhvado bhramate nityam papa punyatmakaha swayam. So then it will go to urdhva and adha, it will go up, it will go down, based on the punya, it will go up, papa, it will go down, like that it will, on his own papa punyas, it will go up and down. Krutam mayadhikam punyam jnana danadi nischitam swargangatva sukham bhoksha iti sankalpavan bhavet. So let me do good deeds, do the dana, dharma, then get punya, then it will go to swarga and it will enjoy the swarga sukhas. तथैवाध्यस्तत्र चिरं भुक्त्वा सुखं महत् क्षीणपुण्य पतत्या सर्वागन्निच्छन् कर्मचोदितः. So anichan karmatoditaha. So what happens is it goes to there, once that punya is over, it will fall like Sampati fell basically. So he is not telling that, but for us in this thing, then it will fall all the way down, saying that once that is over, karma choditaha. Then it comes back into this karmas again. Patitva mandale chandos tato nihara samyutaha. Then it falls onto the Chandra Mandala. So from there all the way, how it falls, that falling model is being told. Chandos tato nihara samyutaha bhumau patitva vrihadyo tatra stitva chiram punaha. Then that jiva, consciousness of jiva, individual consciousness called jiva, then falls onto the Chandra Mandala. From there it falls onto the earth through the water in the rain. Titva chiram punaha. Bhotva chaturvidam bhojyam purushair bhujyate. So it becomes one of those four types of, it gets included into the seeds like rice and wheat and etc. Then bhotva chaturvidham bhojyam purushair bhujyate. Then it gets eaten by a purusha. Then from there tato bhotva punastena rutau striyoni samchitaha. Then it becomes retas of the purusha and gets into the woman's womb. Three yoni sanchitaha yoni raktena samyuktam jarayu pariveshtitam. Then get included in with that egg. Samyuktam jarayu pariveshtitam. It is all the filth around it. Dine naikeina kalalam bhotva rodhatvam apnuyat. Within 1 or 2 days it will become strong. Rodhatvam apnuyat. Tat punaha pancharatrena budbudaakaramaya tamita mimat. In 5 days it will become like a budbuda, means like a foaming up, splitting it itself. బుద్బుదాకార రూఢత్వమా తత్పునః పంచరాత్రేణ బుద్బుదాకారం తామియాత్ సప్తరాత్రేణ తదపి మాంసపేశిత్వమాప్నుయాత్. దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ స్ప్లిట్ ఇన్ టు 4, 6. ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఏ స్మాల్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ మీట్. మాంస పేశిత్వం ఆప్నుయాత్. ఇట్ బికమ్ ఏ పీస్ ఆఫ్ మీట్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్. పక్షమాత్రేణ సా పేశి రుధిరేణ పరిప్లుత. It will within one paksha, within 15 days, taken around by the blood, rudhrena paripluta tasya evankurotpattihi panchavimsati ratrishu. So panchavimsati ratrishu, in 25 nights, days, it will become ankurotpatti, it will germinate. Then ratrishu greva sirascha skandhascha prushta Vamshastadhodaram. So then Griva, head, Sira, Skandha, it will slowly gets formed. Panchadhangani chekaikam jayante masatah kriyat. By monthly, head, neck, shoulders, all these different things gets formed. Panipadau tadha parsvah khatir janu tadhaivacha. మాసద్వయాత్ పర్జానంతే క్రమేణైవ చ చనాన్యథా. In 2 months it will get slowly other limbs. త్రిభిర్మాసై ప్రజాయంతే అంగానాం సంధయక్రమాత్. సో anga sandhis, then the joints will be formed. త్రిభిర్మాసై in the 3 months ప్రజాయంతే అంగానాం సంధయక్రమాత్. సర్వాంగుల్యః ప్రజాయంతే క్రమాన్ మాసచతుష్టయే. The angulis, the fingers will come in the 4th month. నాసౌ కర్ణౌ చ నేత్రే చ జాయంతే పంచమాసతః. ద నోస్, ఇయర్స్ అండ్ ఐస్ విల్ ఫార్మ్డ్ ఇన్ ద 5th month. దంతపంక్తిర్ నఖాగుహ్యాం పంచమే జాయతే తథా. సో ద టీత్ ఆల్సో విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఫార్మింగ్ ఇన్ ద 5th month. ఆర్యా షణ్మాసతశ్ఛిద్రం కర్ణయోర్భవతి స్ఫుటం. లైట్ కూడా. So Shanmasa in the 6th mantra Karnayor Bhavati Sputam Payur Medram Upasthancha Nabhischapi Bhaven Runam. So in the 6th month the distinctions of male and female will get formed. Runam. Saptame Masi Romani Sirah Kesas Tadhaivacha Vibhaktatvatyom Sarvam Sampadyate Shtame. So 7th and 8th month the hair will start growing. Jathare వర్ధతే గర్భాః స్త్రియా ఏవం విహంగమః. నవమే మాసి చైతన్యం జీవః ప్రాప్నోతి సర్వశః. బై ద 9th month జీవా గెట్స్ ఆల్ ద ఫామ్. నాభి సూత్రాల్పరంధ్రేణ మాతృభుక్తాన్న సారతః వర్ధతే గర్భగః పిండో నమ్రియతే స్వకర్మతః. సో ఇన్ దిస్ మాతృగర్భ త్రూ దట్ స్మాల్ నాళా ఆఫ్ ద నాభి ఫ్రమ్ ద నేవల్, that naval nali, the small connection, eating the same food, the essence of the food eaten by the mother, this pinda will grow. It will not die on his own karmas. Swakarmatah smrutva sarvani janmani purva karmani sarvasah jatharanala taptoyamidam vachanamabravit. Then it will tell to itself at that time, smrutva, remembering all the janmas, this jiva will tell to itself, nana yoni sahasreshu jayamano anubhutavan. I have been born in nana yoni sahasreshu, different wombs like this I have been born. Jayamano anubhutavan. So I remember the births like this. Putra dharadi sambandham kotishah pasubandhavan. Crores, hundreds of thousands of putra dharadi sambandhas, of sons, of wives. I have these attachments. Kutumba bharanastyaktva nyayanyayair dhanarjanam. By either righteous means, unrighteous means, I have been taking care of these kutumbas for several times. Krutam nakaravam Vishnu chintam swapnepi durbhagaha. Never done the Vishnu chinta. I have never thought about the Supreme God Vishnu. Idanim tatphalam bhunje garbhadukkam mahattaram. So because now I am facing all this garbhadukkam again, it is like dukkham. It is one of the very difficult periods of a human being or any being of being in the womb. Mahattaram ashvasate swasvadehe trushna samanvitah. By the trushna, unending ashas, unending thirst for life. I'm going around like this. Akaryanyeva krutavan krutam hitamatmanaha ityevam bahudha dukkham anubhuya swakarmataha katha nishkramanam me syad garbhan niraya sannibhat ita urdhvam nityamaham vishnunevanu pujate. Then he concludes himself saying that once I am out of this womb, I will continue to pray only to Vishnu. Ityadi chintayan jivo yoni yantra praptiditaha jayamanoti dukkhena narakat patakiyatha. So then thinking like that, by the pressure of this yoni yantra, the womb puts the pressure on it, and he pataki, as from the naraka somebody falls, he falls into yatha, as somebody falls into naraka, in the same way he falls here. Putivranan nipatitaha krimuresha ivaparaha tato balyadi dukkhani sarvayevam vibhunjate. Then the childhood problems, not having ability to clean oneself, somebody dependence on somebody to basic needs also. Tvaya chaivanubhutani sarvatra viditanita navarjitani me grudha yavvanadishu sarvasaha. I don't need to tell you, O Grudha. So this is being told by the Maharshi Chandra to Sampati. O Sampati, O Grudha, I don't need to tell you the problems of Yavana. So the Garva, going behind the girls and all those things, opposite sex. Again, the attractions of the world, all those things come up. So I don't need to explain all these things to you. Evan dehohamityasmad datthyasan nirayadikam garbhavasadi dukkani bhavanti abhiniveshataha. Because of this one quality called abhinivesha, strong desire to take an individual body, abhinivesha. It is one of the defects of ahankara abhinivesha. In the Yoga Shastra it will come again, abhinivesha. It's a separate topic, we can talk about abhinivesha a lot. So he uses that word Yoga Shastra, abhinivesha. Shataha tasmad dehadvaya dhanyam atmanam prakruteh param jnatva dehadi mamatam tyaktva atma jnanavan bhavet. So one who has understood this body is not I am, gets the jnana, detached from the body, jnanavan bhavet, jagradadi vinirmuktam satya jnanadi lakshanam suddham buddham sada syantam atmanam avadharayet. He giving up the waking, dreaming, deep sleep, the three states. Satya jnanadi lakshanam suddham buddham sada syantam atmanam avadharayet. He gets held by the Atma. Once knowing, given up the attachment to this body, he gets there. Chidatmani parijnate nashte mohe jnasambhave deha patatu varabdha karma vegena tishtatu. So having realized that Chitatma, Parijnate, Nashte Mohe, the delusion is lost, Nashte, Vinashte, Nashte Mohe, Moha is delusion. The confusion, delusion, what is this I am or not I am, this is the delusion. This delusion goes away. Deha patatu varabdha karma vegena tishtatu. And he stays there as long as the body falls on its own. So, yogino nahi dukkham va sukham va ajnana sambhavam tasmad dehena sahito yavat prarabdha sankshayaha. So, O Grudha, keep this body going as long as it has prarabdha, as long as it has to achieve certain things. So this is what tavatishta sukhenatvam dhruta kanchuka sarpavat anvadvakshyami te pakshin srunume paramam hitam. So I will tell you what is best for you. You be like that, like a snake which is covered by its own dry skin. It has not given away. So it is in that thing. Don't worry that let the body be there. until it falls naturally, be there. That is the paramam hitam for you. Tretayuge dasaradhirbhutva narayano vyayah ravanasya vadarthaya dandakanaagamishyati. So in the Treta Yuga, Rama will come, Dasarathi, he will come, and Narayana, Avyayaha, Narayana only will come. Dandaka, he will come to this forest. Setaya, Bharyaya Sartham, Lakshmanena Samanvitaha, Tasrasrame, Janakajam, Bhatrubhyam, Rahite, Vane, Ravanascho, Varannitva, Lankayam, Stapayishyati, Tasya, Sugriva Nirdesha, Dvanara, Parimargane, Agamishyanti Jaladhes, Tiram Tatra Samagataha. Tvaya taihi karanavasad bhavishyati na samsayaha. So you will play a key role in that Sita's search. So you be here until that point comes. Na samsaya. Tada Sita stitim tebhyaha kathayasva yadharthataha tadhaiva tava pakshau dyavutpatyate punarnavau. So when you help Ramakarya, your wings will come back again. This is Chandra Maharshi is saying to Sampati. So this is Chandra has said. Now Sampati Ruvacha. Bodhayamasa mam Chandra nama Munikuleshwaraha pasyantu pakshau mejatau notana vadhikomalau. So he said, see, I have told you that I am getting my wings. Atikomalau, notanau. So the new wings I am getting, which are very soft and wonderful. Atikomalau. Swastimestu gamishyami sitam dadrakshanischayam yatnam kurvadham durlanghya samudrasya vilanghane yannama smrutimatrato parimitam samsara varannidhim tirtva gacchati durjanopi paramam vishnoh padam shasvatam tasyaiva sthitikarina strijagatam ramasya bhakta priyaha यूयम किन्न समुद्रमात्र तरणे सक्ता कथम वानराः. So he concludes, yan nama smruti matrato aparimitam samsara varanidhim, by whose name, singing one name, whole of this samsara varanidhim, samsara, unending, not 100 yojanas, never ending varanidhim is a ocean which has no end. That one name can take you away, cross you over this samsara varanidhim. Tirtva gacchati durjanopi paramam vishnoh padam shasvatam. Even to a bad person, durjana, all bad deeds he has done. Such a person also, by taking up this name alone, one can cross over this whole world. Tirtva, the Vishnopadam, Tasyaiva Sthitikarina Trijagatam, Sthitikara of Vishnu, Trijagatam Sthitikaranaha, one who is holding this three jagats, Sthiti, who is holding, who is keeping them as them. Ramasya Bhaktaha Priyaha, you are Ramasya Bhakta, you are the devotees of Rama. Priyaha, you are loved by him also. Yuyam kim na samudra tarane sekta kadham vanara. In you, definitely this samudra tarana, somebody will be there. You figure it out. This is what has been said. This is the 8th sarga. 8th sarga, whatever we read, that Chandra Maharshi's teaching is known as, is also known as Garbhopanishad. Very similar, not exactly the same words, but it will tell the state of somebody in the womb. So we'll quickly go through the 9th sarga, last sarga of Kishkandha Kanda. Not much of spirituality or the tattva is in here, but there are certain important things here. Mahadeva Uvacha Gate Vihayasau Grudra Raje Vanarapungava Hrishena Samata Vishta Hamshena Mahata Vishta Sita Darsana Lalasaha. So by these words of Grudra, so Sampati has flown away because he has got his wings, he completed his duty, he has moved in. All these Vanaras have become happy again. So, Uchu Samudram Pasvanto, Nakra Chakra Bhayankaram, Tarangadi, so they have looked at the same ocean. Situation has not changed. The mental state has changed. They said, yes, this we can cross. Somebody we can cross. Then భవత్యంజలినः శూరా కృతాశ్చ కృత విక్రమ కోవాత్ర వారిధిం తీర్త్వా రాజకార్యం కరిష్యతి. హూ విల్ డూ దిస్ వర్క్? సో దే స్టార్టెడ్, హూ ఈజ్ ద క్యాపబుల్ ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్ దిస్ వర్క్? వానరాణాంచ సర్వేషాం రామసుగ్రీవయోరపి స ఏవ పాలకో భూయాన్ నాత్ర కార్యా విచారణః. సో అంగదా స్టార్టెడ్ సేయింగ్ ఉచ్యుతాం వై బలం సర్వే ప్రత్యేకం కార్యసిద్ధయే కేన వా సాధ్యేన కార్యం జానీస్తమబ్రవీత్. So then people started telling, I can jump 10 yojanas, I can jump 50, 20, like that people have started saying. Tamaha jambavani sarvam rajano niyamakaha na yuktam tva niyoktum me tvam samardhopi ityasi. So Jambava said, Angada can probably go, but he is the leader, he should not go, he should send one of his people only there. So I can go, but when I was young, I have gone around the earth 100 times without getting down there. But now old I cannot do. So Jambavan is saying, Jambavan Sakshat Brahmaswarupa, Brahmamsa Sambhota. So then Angada started saying, again we are got stuck with this. Let us do Prayopavesa again. But Prayopavesa is not the thing. Then Jambavan said, ప్రాప్తేవన జ్ఞేన సామర్థ్యం దర్శయాద్య మహాబల త్వం సాక్షాద్ వాయుతనయో వాయుతుల్య పరాక్రమ. హీ లుక్డ్ ఎట్ హనుమ, సెడ్, యు ఆర్ సాక్షాత్ వాయుతనయ, యు ఆర్ ఎ సన్ ఆఫ్ వాయు అండ్ యు హ్యావ్ వాయుతుల్య పరాక్రమ, యు హ్యావ్ ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ వాయు టు క్రాస్ ఎనీథింగ్. రామకార్యార్థమేవ త్వం జనిత్యోసి మహాత్మన, యు హ్యావ్ బార్న్ ఫర్ ఓన్లీ టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ రామకార్య. జాతమాత్రేణ పూర్వం దృష్టోద్యంతం విభావసుం. సో వెన్ యు హ్యావ్ బార్న్, యు హ్యావ్ సీన్ ద సన్ అండ్ యు జస్ట్ జంప్డ్ టు క్యాచ్ ద సన్. పక్వం ఫలం జిఘృత్షామి పుల్లవం బాలచేష్టయా యోజనానాం 500 పతితోసి తతో భువి. యు హ్యావ్ క్రాస్డ్ 500 యోజనాస్ అండ్ ఫెల్. Shrutva Jambavato Vakyam Hanuman Atiharshitaha. So having heard this Hanuma Jambavata's Vakyam, Hanuma has become very happy. He regained or he recollected his physical abilities. Then Chakaranadam Simhasya Brahmanam Spotavanniva, he made a great sound. Brahmanam Spotavanasa, like a big boom, making the whole world shake. Then babhuva parvatakarastril vikramaivaparah langhayitva jalandham krutva lankancha bhasmasat ravanam sakulam hatva anyeshe janakanandinim अन्वेष्येने जनकनन्दिनीं यथा बद्ध्वागले रज्ज्वा रावणं रामपाणिना लङ्कां सपर्वतां दृष्ट्वा रामस्याग्रे क्षिपाम्यहं यद्वा दृश्येव यास्यामि जानिकीं शुभलक्षणां. श्रुत्वा हनुमतो वाक्यं जाम्बवानिदमब्रवीत् दृष्ट्वैवागच्छ भद्रन्ते जीवन्तीं जानकीं शुभां. पश्चाद् रामेण सहितो दर्शयिष्यति पौरुषं कल्याणं भगवत्प्राद्भा गच्छेत्येसे विहायसौ. गच्छन्तं रामकार्यार्थं वायुस्त्वामनुगच्छतः इत्यासीर्भिः समामन्त्र्या निस्पृष्टप्रवगाधिपैः. महेन्द्राद्रिशिरो गत्वा बभूवाद्भुतदर्शनः. सः नगेन्द्रप्रतिमो महात्मा सुवर्णवर्णो चारुणवक्त्रः महाफणीन्द्रा भवधीर्घबाहुर्वाजात्मजो ददृश सर्वभूतैः. So with that words, Hanuman regaining or recollecting his own powers, taking up the job, moved on to the Mahendragiri, and that is a great sight. In that great sight, people are seeing him like a golden hue, like a huge Mahendragiri. He is looking like a Parvata himself. He is standing on the Parvata, and Parvata is on Parvata, golden Parvata standing on a Parvata with red face, and he is ready to jump. So that is the end of Navama Sarga and Kishkinda Kanda. Samaptamidam Kishkindha Kandam. So we, on this first day of Jyeshta Masa, this is probably the 10th episode, 10th time I am taking this Adhyatma Ramayana. We came to the end of Kishkinda Kanda, looking at 3 sargas, wonderful sargas of this great epic of Adhyatma Ramayanam. The importance of today is today or the first 10 days of Jyeshta Masa is the starting of Grishma Ritu. Ritu has changed from the Vasanta Ritu to Grishma Ritu, and Paksha has changed, Masa has changed from Vaisakha Masa to Jyeshta Masa. Ganga Dasara, 10 days, the Ganga is to be prayed, and people who can go to Ganga, they can take Ganga's bath. People who can't go to Ganga can remind of Ganga and take bath at home itself. Then that Dasami is known as Dasa Papa Hara Dasami, Ganga Dasara. So the 10 days of Ganga Dasara starts today. This great auspicious occasion, we are able to conclude without any vignas by the grace of Guru to the almost middle of Adhyatma Ramayanam. So, Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha Go Brahmanebhya Subhamastu Nityam Lokas Samastas Sukhino Bhavantu. Swasti.